Good evening from Grand Valley Farm. It's June 5th, 2025, around 6 p.m. And Oreo is not happy because my wife is milking Bella right now, his mama. And he's left all by himself. There's a happy coach right here. Edith wants her grain. She's really demanding. JD's pretty happy. He's got his food now. And Harold's happy too. Haven't grained Harold yet. He's just enjoying the hay. Lisa's done milking Bella. Bella's finishing up her grain right now. Molly's a good mama. The little baby here got out a little earlier. It's really friendly. Let me touch you. Come on. Oh, this one here will come over to see what I had. Spaz is looking for mice. See something. All the animals have been fed and watered, so I'm finished down here for tonight. It's been a really nice day. Right now it's 83 degrees. Got a little bit done. I got the lawn mowed up there and got the water running. Didn't get much done as far as the fences. I did mow where I got to put T-post out here in this field. I don't know if I'll get it done this week or not, but that's my goal. Today's Thursday, so I got another day left for the weekend. So we'll see. It's supposed to be really hot. So anyway, that's all I got for right now. Appreciate you watching. I'll catch you next time.